Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best under bar lights is probably one of the most overlooked yet transformative additions you can make to your home bar, kitchen island, or entertainment space, instantly elevating ambience, enhancing visibility for drink preparation, and creating a sophisticated, inviting glow that truly sets the mood for any occasion, whether it's a quiet evening or a lively gathering with friends. Number 5. WOBANE Dimmable LED Under Cabinet Lights. This versatile lighting kit offers 6 pre-cut LED strips, totaling 9.8 feet, perfect for any DIY project. It's an excellent way to upgrade your cabinets, shelves, or even your bedroom with custom illumination. Delivering a super bright 1500 lumens, these lights ensure your space is perfectly lit. You can easily adjust their brightness with the included RF dimmer, providing high-quality lighting with a CRI over 82. Enjoy ultimate convenience with the 17-key RF wireless remote control. It allows you to dim them, set timers, and even use dynamic functions from up to 60 feet away. This reliable kit features high-quality components, operating at an extremely low DC 12V voltage for safety and minimal heat. Its powerful 24W adapter can even support connecting up to 14 light bars, extending your lighting possibilities. Installation is incredibly simple, with all accessories included and no tools required. Just clean the surface, stick them on with the strong adhesive tape, and connect for instant light. What we like. This kit offers incredible flexibility for custom installations. Its powerful RF remote control allows for seamless brightness adjustments and timing functions from a distance. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a highly customizable and bright lighting solution for various spaces, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The underbar lighting provides excellent illumination, enhancing the ambience of the space. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly under the bar, offering a clean and modern look. Number 4. Brilliant Evolution Ultra-Thin Wireless Under Cabinet LED Lights. Installation is a breeze, taking just minutes with either adhesive or screws. These slim fixtures provide bright, simple light wherever you need it, from kitchens to bookshelves. A simple tap on the lens turns them on or off. This versatile LED light bar offers instant access and easy-to-use activation whenever you need illumination. Enjoy built-in auto-off options for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. This practical feature gives you customizable control for various areas in your home. Each fixture delivers a warm white glow of 65 lumens. They provide the perfect brightness for kitchens, garages, or workspaces, all without the need for hardwiring. At just 0.9 inches thin and 8.9 inches long, they are lightweight and cordless. Running on 3 AA batteries, they are easy to move for temporary setups or areas without wall outlets. What we like. These lights are incredibly convenient for areas without power outlets. Their ultra-thin profile and battery operation make them perfect for discreet placement. If you need a quick, wire-free lighting solution for small spaces like closets or pantries, this portable option is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Dimmable USB LED Light Bar. This lighting kit features two 12-inch light bars, each with 33 LEDs and 400 lumens. They provide bright, cold white 6000K light, perfect for detailed tasks and kitchen cooking. Its thin and lightweight design ensures it remains discreet once installed. This unit offers an affordable solution for adding extra light to any area, even on a budget. You can easily adjust its brightness from 10% to 100%, finding the perfect level for your comfort. Plus, it features a convenient memory function, recalling your last setting when you power it back on. Installation is incredibly simple with the included double-sided tape. Just attach them where desired, connect the bars, and plug them in for instant illumination. These LED lights are energy efficient, producing low heat and consuming minimal power. Their USB connectivity allows for flexible power options, perfect for various spaces like kitchens, desks, or dorms. What we like. This set stands out with its versatile USB power option, allowing for flexible power sources. The memory function ensures your preferred brightness setting is always remembered. If you're on a budget and need a simple, linkable lighting solution that can be powered by a USB port, this is a great pick. What people say. The lighting provides excellent illumination for the bar area. Its sleek design integrates seamlessly under the counter. Number 2. ASOKO Uno LK Under Cabinet LED Light. These lights provide a powerful 1299 lumens with a soft 4500K daylight white. They illuminate any space beautifully, ensuring no glare, LED dots, or flicker. Perfect for your kitchen, closet, or shelves. Adjust the light to any level you desire, from 0% to 100%, using the convenient rotary dimmer. It even remembers your last setting, so you don't have to reset it. You can also integrate them with smart plugs or timers for added convenience. Installation is a breeze with 3 flexible options. You can use the strong magnetic clips and 3M stickers for quick mounting and removal. Alternatively, secure them permanently with screws. All necessary accessories are included. Crafted from aluminum and plastic, they feature a rust-proof and corrosion-resistant shell for extended life. The frosted PC cover ensures eye-friendly, uniform light. Plus, an upgraded 24V ETL listed plug guarantees your safety. These LED strips are incredibly energy efficient, providing high brightness while reducing energy consumption by up to 85%. They use only 12W to deliver 1299 lumens. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty. What we like. This lighting system provides precise control with its stepless rotary dimmer, allowing for perfect ambience. The multiple installation methods, including strong magnetic clips, offer unparalleled ease of repositioning. If you value fine-tuned brightness control and flexible, secure mounting options, this durable and safe choice is for you. What people say. No reviews provided in the source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to enable extraction of helpful points. Number 1. MAYLIT RGB Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. Introducing the MAYLIT RGB Under Cabinet Lighting Kit. This versatile system includes 8 pre-cut light strips and connectors, allowing you to customize your lighting setup. Easily upgrade your kitchen, closet, or any area needing a vibrant touch. With millions of colors to choose from, you can set the perfect ambience for any occasion. Express your mood and create a personalized atmosphere in every room. These lights bring your space to life with dynamic hues. Experience an immersive light show with the Music Sync feature. These LED strip lights change color to the rhythm of your favorite tunes or even your voice. It adds a romantic and unforgettable touch to your gatherings. You have complete control over your lighting experience. Easily manage them using either the intuitive phone app or the included 40-key IR remote. Adjust brightness, switch between 16 million colors, and explore various dynamic modes with ease. Installation is incredibly simple thanks to the strong self-adhesive backing. Just wipe your desired surface, stick them on, and plug them in. For added security, use the provided fixed clips to reinforce the strips. These lights are perfect for a wide range of applications beyond cabinets. Use them under counters, on shelves, behind your TV, or in bookcases to highlight your favorite items. They bring brilliant illumination wherever you need it. What we like. This kit brings a vibrant, dynamic atmosphere to any space with its RGB color-changing capabilities. The Music Sync feature allows the lights to dance to your tunes, creating an immersive experience. If you love to personalize your environment with millions of colors and enjoy interactive lighting for parties or mood setting, this is the perfect choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.